You're watching DDS TV. The driver tried to cut the camera off and instantly regretted. I love how the squirrel at the end decided to nope out of there. People either wait until the absolute last second or don't pay attention. The annoying part is that it's not the end of the world if you miss the exit. There are 4 separate back roads for that specific exit that all take you to the same place. It's not like GPS isn't aware of it.
So that's why I was like, you're like dictating to me when you're like literally known.
One way.
Babe, you love this, don't you?
One way. This is a one-way street. I don't care, walk. No, this is a one-way street. This is a one-way street. You can't go this way. No, this is one way. I live in this house. This is a one-way street. So go around the block, man. You can come out over here. You're going the wrong way on the street. Listen, I have kids. So pull over and walk. Pull over and walk. So go the right way.
The camera got fed up of all these rideshare and delivery drivers ignoring the one-way street signs and held his ground this time. Some countries hold both the driver and the owner of a vehicle accountable for any traffic violations of this nature. It's a symbiotic relationship between the small truck and the big truck. Here we see the small truck is so cold that it goes to hide with the big truck. In return, the small truck helps the big truck brake. I wouldn't exactly call that merging. That's more of like an intercept to me. Some people don't know what the rear view mirror is and never even bother to shoulder check. To me, it looks like someone has seen the never let them know your next move TikToks a little too much. Thankfully, the driver did make it a point to apologize to the camera.
Oh, shit. Yeah, look. Oh my God!
Sometimes I feel like driver's license renewals should be more strict. For example, in Texas, they just test your vision and that's it. I feel like a renewed physical driving exam should be in order.
Just a one-line wireless plan with unlimited data for $30 a month, taxes and fees included, all powered by Verizon. Visible is flexible and can save you money with...
I'd argue the driver's reason for doing this was because he was about to be T-boned by another car coming from the opposite direction, so he had to choose which car was least likely to hit him, and he chose the Camry. The camera still baffled as to why the driver was so enraged. I feel like that driver may have wanted to exit across 2 lanes and the camera was quote-unquote in the way, resulting in this unnecessary escalation. I'd argue that the camera is to blame here because I don't see any headlights emitting from his vehicle. The driver made a blind turn at this intersection, knocking over the pedestrians. Miraculously, no one was seriously injured.
Oui, sur le même point de vue, pas de TV, rien là.
Ouais.
Ça... Moi, puis Tom a aimé ça.
Tom, il a aimé ça.
Ouais.
The worst part is that they likely didn't even notice their mistake. To add insult to injury, there was no one behind the camera either. You can tell that this wasn't their first rodeo as the sides were dented in. The camera did get their license plates, and this is currently a pending insurance case. I had a feeling that the camera was about to get the short end of the stick when I noticed the 83 miles per hour paired with the slush appearing at the crest. I'm glad that nothing happened. The BMW driver was going way too fast and crashed into a barrier, totaling his vehicle. The camera did stop to help.
People always on the wrong side of the road.
Okay. Alrighty.
Wow.
Rumor has it that the camera is Owen Wilson. I think the dead giveaway is the wow. It took me a few times rewatching the clip to notice the no left turn signage. The cyclist wasn't expecting the turn and the driver didn't signal either. Looks like a lawsuit is imminent. Looks like the mall is never closed for oblivious drivers. Honestly, though, that looked a bit fun. Not that I'd ever do this or condone doing this. The driver likely gave in to his intrusive thoughts.
Come on, dude.
The music is definitely the cherry on top. I'm not sure why these two drivers were road raging anyways. Lovers quarrel, maybe? Thank you for watching. Please consider leaving a like and commenting because it really helps me. And if you have any clips you'd like me to feature, please email them to originalddstv2@gmail.com. And you can save 10% and get free shipping by using promo code DDSTV on USA-cams.com.